the sound of rain. Drip drop, the drips drop, falling on my pain. Like an onomatopoeia of straight urea, I was trapped in a slow, simmering stream of stress. Every problem hissed, mocking me with its constant spray. Psst. Like a secret whispered from the stall next door. Do I engage or pretend I didn't hear? No courtesy flush from the handle. I was listening to nonsense from a voice with its pants around its ankles. Ploop. Like a sneaky splash that's always bigger than you expect, life hit me again, right in the dignity. Sending a rogue splash of failure to the sky, I yelped! It was loud, embarrassing, and left a mark until... flip! Like the desperate tug when there's only one square left to spare, I found my lifeline. Just when I thought I was at the end of my roll, the light shined. Life, like toilet paper, doesn't always give you the luxury of excess. Kerthunk! Like the glorious thud of a plunger conquering the uncloggable. Victory hit with the sound of the impossible. Nothing but swirling success remained. No more blockages, no more splashes, and it sounded like...